Most people use Google Photos just to store their pictures. But did you know it can do so much more than that? In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Photos like a pro, with features that can save time, space, and even bring old memories back to life. Let's start with the basics. Google Photos automatically backs up all your photos and videos to the cloud, meaning you'll never lose them, even if your phone breaks. But here's a pro tip. Go to Settings, Backup and Sync and make sure it's turned on. You can also set it to upload only on Wi-Fi to save mobile data. Next, let's talk about search power. Google Photos uses advanced AI to recognize faces, places, and even objects. Try searching for dog, beach, or birthday, and it instantly finds matching photos, even if you never tagged them. It's like having a personal photo assistant. Now here's something really cool: auto albums and memories. Google Photos automatically groups your photos by people or events and creates short highlight videos. You can edit these with music, filters, and text to share directly on social media. It's perfect for quick, emotional posts without extra effort. Want to clear up phone space? Tap Free Up Space in the app. Google Photos will safely delete photos already backed up in the cloud, giving you more storage without losing anything. Another pro trick: hidden features for editing. Google Photos now has AI-powered tools like Magic Eraser, Portrait Light, and Color Pop. They can remove unwanted objects, adjust lighting, and make your photos look professional, all in seconds. Don't forget about shared albums. You can create one and invite friends or family so everyone can add their photos to the same album. Great for trips, weddings, or events. And here's one more expert tip. If you use Google Photos on desktop, go to photos.google.com/map to see your pictures placed on a world map. You'll instantly see where you've been and relive your travels visually. So, whether you want to organize, edit, or protect your memories, Google Photos is more than just a gallery. It's your smart photo manager powered by Google's AI. Now that you know these pro tricks, open your Google Photos app and explore. Your best moments deserve more than just storage, they deserve to shine. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.